Hello, trading is closed on December 5th, 2019. We'll go over our calls, once again with the caveat that I've had very little time to look at the market, very little time to do my analysis. Look for the pattern with the early low. We got that. Expected a high in the final hour. We got that. Said the commonest thing was a gap and a fast move outside the day's range. We gapped and moved outside the day's range by yesterday's range by 7 cents. So all those things happen. Tomorrow's pattern also has the early low. Doesn't mean you won't gap up. Futures are up as I'm recording this. During the day, MEJT said this rally wouldn't stick and we retrace to these yellow lines. We did that. We said this rally wouldn't stick, we retraced to the white, and we did that too. I've gotten some requests to know where people can see my calls during the day. Well, all the rules are in my book, the MEJT system. Costs under one handle on the E-mini contract. The publisher's Harriman House, available online. They're in the UK. If you want to get it from someplace else, Amazon sells it, and other booksellers have it too, even in places like Australia. Anyone speaks Chinese, there's a Chinese language edition. Well, here's what I've got. Tomorrow's pattern has the early low. Doesn't mean you won't gap up. We've had a failure to close over recent highs. Even though we've gapped up 2 days in a row, we still aren't trading over these highs, closing over these highs. Unless we gap and promptly trade over the high today, we should see lower prices tomorrow. Doesn't guarantee a lower close, and we're still on a volatility index Bollinger Band buy signal. Tomorrow's pattern has the early low. If you're a bull, you really want us to gap over today's high. If we don't trade over this high fast, we should see lower prices. Doesn't necessarily mean you'll close lower, but we've really banged up against this resistance for a couple of days, and if we're going to break through, if we are, hit my higher targets, I wouldn't want to waste any more time in this price range. And that's today's call.